So we're given the quantity x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared times the quantity y plus square root 1 plus y squared equals 1. And we want to find what x plus y quantity squared is. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is write down what we're given. Okay, and we're going to divide both sides by y plus square root of 1 plus y squared. So we'll have x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared equals 1 over y plus the square root of 1 plus y squared. Okay, now I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of the right, so that would just be y minus the square root of 1 plus y squared. So that will just be x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared, and then we'll have y minus the square root of 1 plus y squared at the top. And on the bottom, we'll have, here it's a difference of two squares. So it's y times y minus the square root of 1 plus y squared times the square root of 1 plus y squared, which the nice thing is the square root goes away. And so now this minus, we have y squared minus y squared, that's going to go away. And I'm just left with negative 1 in the denominator. Okay, so that's just going to be x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared. And the negative could just come out on top as y minus the square root of 1 plus y squared. And you have to be careful with the negative because the negative has to distribute to both the y and the square root of 1 plus y squared. Okay, so we could just write this as negative y plus the square root of 1 plus y squared. So at this point, I'm going to get my x and y together and my square roots together. Because the goal here is I want to get rid of the square roots. Okay, it's not helping me right now. So I'm going to add y to both sides. So I have the square root of 1 plus y squared minus the square root of 1 plus x squared. I'm going to square both sides. So I get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And then we'll have the square root of 1 plus y squared squared, which the square root will go away. And then minus 2 times the square root of 1 plus y squared times the square root of 1 plus x squared. And then the square root of 1 plus x squared squared, which the square root will just go away. So we'll simplify this further. So I have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And on the right, we have 1 and 1 here will make us 2. Y squared and x squared. So we'll just move that together. So it'll be x squared plus y squared. And then minus 2 times the square root. The good thing is that a lot of things will cancel. So we have the x squared is going to cancel. And also the y squareds. Notice also that the coefficient will be 2 everywhere. So we can also divide by 2 to make these all 1. So that leaves me with xy equals 1 minus the square root of 1 plus y squared times 1 plus x squared. We're going to, again, we want to get rid of the square root. So we're going to do that by moving the 1 to the left. And at this point, the way you get rid of the square root is just by squaring everything. And so keep in mind, you also have to square the negative here. So that's going to become positive. So we'll square everything. So it's x squared y squared minus 2xy plus 1. And on the right, the negative goes away and so does the square root. So actually keep in mind here, we should simplify inside here, so we have to FOIL it out. So there'll be 1 plus x squared plus y squared plus x squared times y squared. So as we see, there's a copy of x squared y squared, another copy of x squared y squared. That's going to go away. Also, you have 1 here on each side. That goes away. So we're left with negative 2xy equals x squared plus y squared. So we're going to move everything to the right. So I'm going to write it as x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 0. And so this gets factored into x plus y quantity squared is equal to 0. And finally, we're able to prove that x plus y quantity squared is equal to 0. And this is our final answer.